Peace be upon you and your family. F-flag elements, inner transition elements, position in the periodic table. F-flag elements are also called inner transition elements. What is the position of inner transition element in the periodic table? That we are going to discuss in this video. F-flag elements, inner transition elements, position in the periodic table. What are F-flag elements? The elements in which the electrons enter into n-2 f orbitals are called F-flag elements. The elements in which the electrons enter into the n-1 f orbitals are called F-flag element. Why the F-flag elements are called inner transition elements? Why the F-flag elements are called inner transition element? Because the F-flag element form a series inside of the transition element, therefore they are called inner transition element. The F-flag element form a series inside of the transition elements, therefore they are called inner transition element. One more reason also given to inner transition element. You know the arrangement of orbital according to alpha principle. How the electrons are entered into the various orbital? 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s. Then 4d, 5p, after 5p, the electrons are entered into the 6s. Then 5d, then 4f. In an atom, the nucleus is present at the center. First cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell contain 4f orbital, fifth cell containing 5d, sixth cell containing 6s. The 4f orbital belongs to third from the outer shell. The 4f orbital belongs to third from the outer shell. Therefore, this is called inner transition element. Why F-flag elements are called inner transition element? There are two reasons are given. One is F-flag element form a series inside of the transition element, therefore they are called inner transition element. Why the F-flag elements are called inner transition element? One more reason is the 4f orbital, that minus n-2 f orbital belongs to third from the outer orbital, therefore it is called inner transition series or inner transition element. In the inner transition elements, there are two series. One is lanthanoids, and second one is actinoids. Lanthanoids and second one is actinoids. Lanthanoids series consist of how many elements? 14 elements. Maximum number of electron in s orbital is 14. Therefore, 14 elements. Starting from cerium, atomic number 58, atomic number 58, ending with lutetium, atomic number 71, following lanthanum. But remember, lanthanum is a d black element. There is no electron in f orbital in the case of lanthanum. It is a d black element. These elements are characterized by preferentially filling of 4f orbital. In all lanthanides, 4f orbitals, in 4f orbital, electrons are filled. Electrons are filled. Therefore, the lanthanoids is also called 4f black element. Like that. Actinoids consist of how many elements? 14 elements. Actinoids consist of how many elements? 14 elements. Starting from thorium, atomic number 90, ending with lawrencium, atomic number 103. Lawrencium, atomic number 103, following actinum. But actinum is a F black element. These elements are characterized by preferentially filling of 4f orbital. Electrons are filled in 4f orbital. Therefore, they are also called 4f black element. So, in our periodic table, we have only two black element. One is 4f black element, another one is 5f black element. 4f black elements are also called lanthanoids. 5f black elements are also called actinoids. Now, come to the other points. What are the position of lanthanides and actinoids in the periodic table? In periodic table, in the third group and in sixth period, after lanthanum, atomic number 57, hafnium 72. In between these two, 14 elements are present. They are called lanthanoids. Same third group and in sixth period, actinum, next element rutherfordium 89, 104. Between these two, there are 14 elements named as actinoids. So, position of lanthanoids in the periodic table is third group and sixth period. Position of lanthanoids, actinoids in the periodic table is same third group and in seventh period they are placed. What are the elements present in lanthanoids and actinoids? What are the elements are present in lanthanoids and actinoids? That we are going to discuss now. I am going to write all the elements present in lanthanoids and actinoids. First, lanthanoids. Then actinoids. The first element in lanthanoids, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Starting from atomic number 58 and 71, ending with 71. This is lanthanoids. Now actinoids. Actinoids. What are the elements are called actinoids? The 14 element following actinum. Thorium, atomic number 90. Protactinium, uranium, plutonium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium. Nobelium, lawrencium. Thorium, protactinium, uranium, atomic number 92, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium. The actual position of lanthanoids is third group and in which period? Sixth period. In the sixth period, after the lanthanum, the electrons are preferably filled in 4f subcell, and these 14 elements following lanthanum show similar chemical properties, same chemical properties. These 14 elements following lanthanum show similar chemical properties. Therefore, these elements are grouped together and placed at the bottom of the periodic table. Why the position is given at the bottom in the periodic table? First point is, lanthanoids have general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. General electronic configuration of lanthanoids is xenon, atomic number 54, 4f, 1 to 14, 5d, 0, 1, 6s2, 6s2. Why the position of the lanthanoids are given at the bottom of the periodic table? First, their general electronic configuration of lanthanoids is xenon 54, 4f, 1 to 14, 5d containing empty filled or 1 electron, 6s orbital containing 2. Second point, the common oxidation state of lanthanoids, common oxidation state of lanthanoids is equal to +3. All the lanthanoids and also actinoids, they exhibit +3 oxidation state. And a third point, all the elements have similar physical and chemical properties. All the elements have similar and physical and chemical properties. So these are the 3 points justify the position of the lanthanides in the periodic table. General electronic configuration is xenon 4F1214 5D0,1 6s2. Common oxidation state of lanthanides +3. All the lanthanides they are having similar chemical and physical and chemical properties. Similarly, the 14 elements following actinum resemble in their physical and chemical properties. We will study the 14 element following actinum resembles in their physical and chemical properties. If we place these elements after lanthanum in the periodic table below 4D series, the properties of the elements belong to a group would be different and it would affect the proper structure of the periodic table. Hence, a separate position is provided to the inner transition series. What is the position given? At the bottom of the periodic table as lanthanoids and actinoids. From atomic number 1 to atomic number 92, all the elements are naturally occurring element. Atomic number 1 to atomic number 92, all the elements are naturally occurring element. After uranium, the elements after uranium are called transuranium element. Transuranium element. After uranium means after uranium up to atomic number 118. The elements after uranium is called transuranium element. All these elements are man-made element. All these elements are man-made element. They are obtained by the radioactive decay of other element. So these elements are obtained by the radioactive decay. That means nuclear fission or nuclear fusion reaction, all other elements are obtained. Starting from atomic number 93 up to atomic number 118, all are man-made element. And in the lanthanides, except promethium, all are non-radioactive element. Promethium is only radioactive element in the lanthanide. All actinides are radioactive. All actinides are radioactive in nature except promethium. All other are non-radioactive, but all actinides are radioactive in nature. And the name uranium, neptunium, plutonium, these are the name of the planets. And californium, einsteinium, the name Alfred Einstein. Fermi, name of the scientist. Dmitri Mendeleev, Mendelevium. Then Alfred Nobel, Nobelium. Lawrence, Lawrencium. Correct? Americium, Marie Curie, Curium, Berkelevium. California, Californium University. Einstein, Alfred Einstein, scientist. Fermi. Then Dmitri Mendeleev, Mendelevium. Alfred Nobel, Nobelium. Finally, Lawrencium. Some of the names belongs to name of the scientist also. So this is about lanthanides and actinides. Position of lanthanides, third group and sixth period. Position of actinides, third group and which period? Seventh period in the periodic table. Actually, these are placed at the bottom of the periodic table and these 3 points justify the position of lanthanide in the periodic table. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you.